Right. Hello friends, this is Shanmukh. I'm a SQL DBA trainer. So I'm going to start new batch on SQL Server DBA HA and DR concepts. Okay. High availability and disaster recovery concepts. So we are going to start this batch from 14th of August. Okay. 14th August 2022. So the batch is going to start from 14th August 2022. So this is a weekend batch, guys. Okay, this is a weekend batch. 14th, generally classes will be on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, so this Sunday onwards we are going to start discussing HADR. So initially we'll discuss Active Directory domain services, okay, on Sunday, and then we'll continue the sessions. We will discuss log shipping, we'll discuss mirroring, we'll discuss replication. We'll also discuss this Windows Server Payload clustering, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you how to configure Windows Server Payload clustering. So it's not like giving some videos of Windows clustering and asking you to configure the Windows clustering from your own. Okay, it's not like that. I'm going to show you how to configure Windows clustering. Okay, with the existing resources, like within our laptop, using our laptop, how to configure the Windows clustering and all. So we can configure Windows clustering, okay, in our laptop. We are going to use Oracle VirtualBox and we'll create some virtual machines, and then we are going to configure the Windows clustering and all. So I'm going to show you how to configure that Windows clustering, and if you follow me, you can also configure Windows clustering in your laptop. So after that we'll discuss about SQL Server Failover clustering, and then finally we'll discuss about the always on setup. So like always on complete real time, guys. Every topic is completely real time. So we'll install the Oracle VirtualBox, and we are going to create some virtual machines. And so these are the servers. Okay, these are the three servers for the last batch. This is for Active Directory. This one will act as a primary server, this one will act as a secondary server. So like this, each and everything we are going to create or build like a real-time setup we are going to build in our laptops, guys. Classes will be on weekends, guys, and completely real time. It's not like we are not going to configure log shipping in the local instances and all. We'll build new Windows machines. On top of that, we'll install SQL servers. On top of that, we are going to configure. We are going to discuss about all HA and DR concepts, guys. So every topic there will be a discussion initially. Then setup will be there. I'm going to explain everything with neat diagrams and all. So everything will be explained with the diagrams and all. Right, and configurations also I'm going to show you guys how to configure, and like after configuration how to monitor it, like how to fail over it, how to monitor it, like all these things like real time challenges and all I'm going to discuss in the particular classes. Right, some common errors, okay, in case what kind of common errors we are going to get it, how to troubleshoot those common errors and all. So everything I'm going to explain with the neat diagrams, guys. Okay, so if you want to see the diagrams and all, we can still see the diagrams. Let me show you the diagrams for the last batch. Okay, so let me go back. I'll show you the diagrams also. I'll open the diagrams, and I'm going to draw the diagrams, and I'll explain each and every concept. Okay, so how the concepts and all are going to work, how, like, what are the architecture of that particular concepts and all. Everything will be discussed using the diagrams, guys. So completely real time. Okay, so it's not like a local setup and all. You can see here, this is for log shipping, how log shipping will work. Everything I'm going to draw in front of the students, guys, and how mirroring will work, mirroring architecture, publisher, like replication architecture, clustering, Windows clustering architecture. You can see here Windows clustering. Okay, so everything will be discussed with a pictorial way so that you can easily understand. This is like always on, okay, setup, how always on will work on all. Everything I'm going to explain, guys, with the help of diagrams. Then we'll discuss about the topic, and I'll show you the demo as well. Setup discussion is there, setup and configurations, failure, and some errors also will be discussed, guys. Okay, this is all about the HMDR, guys. So training will be there for 2 weeks. Okay, uh, next weekend, and then next to next weekend. These 2 weeks training will be there. So trainings will be completed in 2 weeks, guys. 2 weekends, hardly 2 weekends. The trainings are going to be completed. Okay, if you are interested, you can first you can send me a WhatsApp message. Okay, so that I am going to be responded immediately. So if I'm not responding, you can still use, or if my phone is not reachable, you can still use this mail ID realtimeittrainings@gmail.com. You can send your uh, what we can say, you can send your questions, queries. In case if you have any queries and all, you can just ping me in the WhatsApp and you can ask me the questions regarding the training. If I'm not reachable in the phone, you can send me an email, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. So thank you very much. So we'll start discussing HADR concept from this coming Sunday onwards, which is from August 14th onwards, guys. Okay, thank you all.